but the response, I don't think it was that much great. But what happened is that like last week, uh, Google launched their Gemini Ultra model. So that is the most capable model what they launched. And what they did was they renamed the Bard with Gemini. And now you can say like that this new Gemini is like much better than, and it is competing with ChatGPT 4. So at first, like what is Gemini? It's an multimodal AI model. So basically how so ChatGPT was launched, it was only text based. So it was not like multimodal. In Gemini, you can do text generation, image generation, then audio as well. So this is one thing where Gemini differentiate from ChatGPT. And I think later on in ChatGPT 4, they also introduced DALI integration with their model. And also you can generate images on ChatGPT as well. So let us just see what is there in it. So now, okay, as I said, like Bard is now Gemini, and they launched the Gemini Ultra model. So it can do like translate languages and also understand text, images, audio, and code. And so I can quickly show you like how that the new Gemini Advanced what they launched it looks like. So here you can see like I have already signed up, like subscribed to their Gemini Advanced. And just to let you know that ChatGPT offers only 1 month free subscription, right? So, but in case of Gemini, it is actually 2 months. So you get to use 2 months for free. The two also they are the latest model, the most capable model, which is the Gemini Ultra. And and some things I tried with it, like so this is how the dashboard looks like, and you can see that it gives some suggestion like generate futuristic images, then write code, and then also understand this 6 or something, and then so I tried some image what to say generation kind of things, so can show you. Uh, 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 Yeah, so this was like a template which was given by the Gemini itself, and you can see like the images are like very vibrant, I would say. And one more thing is like it gives like 6 images, like we can use it like generate free images, and also I don't think there is any limit to it. Like you can generate even more images. So I tried this on some images, and also this one I tried like, but I think it got wrong. So I think here I had mentioned like sure generate a cyberpunk style picture of a Gemini, but it actually did something. It did some cyberpunk stuff, but it's not Gemini. So yeah, I think this was some things I tried, and this is also the same thing. You can see like it is giving some really nice pictures. And apart from that, one more thing what I found is like, that in the settings, if I go, there is an extension option. It was there previously, and you can also like, search all these things you can search the Google as well. But what I like the most is this Google Workspace. So when once we enable this, right, you can simply ask like, uh, in your this thing like in your drive file or Gmail or your this things like to fetch for something like look for something and what is there in the files. So I'll give you an example like so in my drive folder I have added this PDF. It's a JavaScript cheat sheet basically. So if I try to look for it in this, so I just have to type at the rate and just go for drive, and I can just search like look for JavaScript cheat sheet. So you can see like it is searching my Google Workspace like, and it will assess the information. So and you can see like that it has successfully found the same PDF, and it is also giving the name as well. If I can show you, so it is the JavaScript cheat sheet code with Harry, the same thing. So also I had also asked something like this. What is uh, what is in the PDF. It's taking some time. So I think it gives some output, and I can compare this like basic syntax, functions, term manipulation. And if I go here, like you can see like DOM element, and then it is giving this information based on the PDF. And yeah, so I found this kind of useful. Okay, so yeah, I think that is the thing. And so extensions that we discovered, and also like anyone can use Gemini Advanced for free for 2 months. It asks for like payment and this thing to set up your payment, but you can still cancel it after like when you reach at the end of your free trial. You have that option to cancel that time. So this is like how you can access Gemini. So for normal individuals, you could easily go to this site, and you can use. This is the best way that how you can use the most capable model, which is that Gemini Ultra in the free also. So also then for developers, it is actually they have to go to the Google AI Studio. So if I show you that, so this is how this is where this is like the playground what we get in ChatGPT. So it is similar to that, and so yeah, I've tried like generating some API keys and playing around with this as well. But yeah, so in short, like when developers can go to Google AI Studio and use it, and then on phones, like normally on Pixel 8 4 devices, the Gemini Nano is being used. And also, we saw like in January, Samsung launched its Samsung S24 lineup, right? So they have used the Gemini's what to say the Gemini Nano model and to in their this thing phones to create all those those images, like you can remove the unwanted things from the image and all. So they have used Gemini's this thing, Google's Gemini to do so. So these are some applications like content writing, translation, code generation, question answering, education, research, business. So these are like basic things. And yeah, I think in future, Gemini, Google will introduce more such things. Uh, which we are like eagerly waiting for. So at next we have the Google AI Studio, like from the developer's perspective. So if I open that, so I've already also signed up here. Like so, I tried signing up with the SJ Innovation account. It was not working actually. It was not giving me the sign in option. There was sign in option, but when I click on it, nothing was happening. So I tried using my normal account, and this is how the interface look like. Uh, Okay, so at the right side, you can see like, in the model section, there are two things. So basically you can, this Gemini 1.0, you can use for chat-based things, only if you're asking for text input or output. And this vision is for your, this thing, for image generation. So I have already selected image generation, and here you can see like, it is giving some suggestion already. So, and if I click on tab, right? So you can see like it gave that template kind of thing. So and I can ask like anything over here as well. So if I say describe uh, what is there in the image, and if I hit run, so this is how like it gives like this image shows a cricket match. There are two cricket players in the image. One is batting and another one is wicket keeper. So yeah, it is giving like pretty accurate information. And also like you can get the code like from here, and you can use it in your this thing projects and all. Everything is like already mentioned over here. And if you want the API key, right, so you have to just click on this get API key. Okay, I'll just overwrite this, and from here you can easily get the API key as well. Okay. Apart from that, I think other things are like, one thing what I like is this prompt gallery. So it gives like, multiple prompts like you can try out like recipe creator, or you can chart indication or some things like that. So you can try this out and it will basically it will redirect you to here only, and it will give you a template in which you can run and edit as well. So yeah, I think this was it about Google AI Studio. Uh, so looking at this, I have also created one project. If I can sh- show you. So I have created one project using the Gemini API key and also LangChain and embeddings, some embeddings. So this is like a assistant only where you have to upload a PDF and it will give you output based on that PDF. So I'll just refresh it quickly, and I can, if I just click on this browse and submit the PDF. Okay, so it has successfully submitted the PDF. So I'll ask the same thing like, or I can change as well. So let's ask like, I can ask this like, what are the iterative statements? Okay, I think I should simply ask this. Okay, I think it is for this prompt. I think it is not giving the accurate results. Mention. Okay, it is only giving the the so it is actually fetching out. If I can share it like, so for loop, while loop, do while loop, and it is given that. Uh, yeah, and also you can upload multiple PDFs as well, and you can ask the questions, so and get the basic response out of it. So yeah, I think this was pretty much about it. Like, so in this presentation, like I've showed like how the Gemini has been, the Bard has been renamed to Gemini, and how you can use the image generation abilities, the what to say, the extension to yeah, to find out like what is there in your workspace, and you can get the information out of it. Also, you can use the Google AI Studio, Google AI Studio to, basically get the API keys. Also, you can try out multiple things over here, like image generation and text generation both. And also you can get the prompt gallery, which helps you like, with the templates of some prompts what you want. And also the documentation is given over here. Yeah, so you can go through it, and yeah, you can try out things from here as well.